Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the next episode. And मैं थोड़ा सा सोच रही थी that what topic should we speak about because there was nothing going inside my head. I was like क्या बात करें. So I just came on Insta and I was just going through the stories and I saw my friend's story where as I said, right, I was some weeks back in Jaipur. So I have this thingy that a person who's close to me, and if I visit them, or I know that I'm not gonna see them for a lot of long time, or for a lot of long months. I write a handwritten letter for them. So I was like, okay. So and then I saw the story jahan pe, she was appreciating about the handwritten letter, and I was like, okay, this is a topic. Let's talk about it. So handwritten letters, I know, although it sounds very old school, it sounds very like कौन इतना मेहनत करेगा, but trust me, it's the most amazing personality that I like about anyone who writes handwritten letters. I mean, I'm really attracted to them because my love language is a handwritten letter. So, to all the people who are close to me, and they've received the letter. So, if a person hasn't received the letter, so maybe they are, they're not so close friends of mine, or they might receive. तो वैसा है. But I like receiving handwritten letters, and at the same time, I like writing as well. So, as I said in some of the podcasts, that we're writing a book. So there's this one chapter purely dedicated to handwritten letters, and it's a nice, funny, short stories that I've written about it. But speaking about handwritten letters, I actually have a little goldfish type of a memory, so I don't really remember कि मैंने क्या लिखा है. So so when I saw the story, I was like, oh, nice. And then but होता ना कि that हाँ ठीक है तुमने ये लिखा था, these were the some hit points for her. I don't remember. I absolutely don't remember, but I remember writing it. And it was so funny. I was writing it when we were actually sitting at the hall area, and then we were talking and all. And I don't know, मेरे को लगा कि बाद में मेरे को time मिलने नहीं आ रहा, so I just removed the book. I got the pen, and then I started writing of it. And then I have a thing that I don't rewrite the handwritten letters. So I write it once, even if it is raw, spelling mistake hai, spelling kharab hai, it does not make sense. I don't care. So I just write it once, and that's it. The handwritten letter style of mine. So yes, as I said, I like receiving, and at the same time I like writing. So we have this tradition of the birthdays with my best friends that we always be like, okay, on every person's birthday, like on every birthday of us, we definitely give handwritten letters. So that has to be there when the person is killed, or when like there's something wrong. So I've been receiving handwritten letters from the past, I think, 5 years now. Got it first on my 18th birthday, and us time say every single time, apart from the gifts, or apart from the celebration, or apart from the birthday ka excitement, I just look forward for the handwritten letters. So I truly, truly, truly love when somebody takes that effort. You know who? So what matters to me, and I tell this to other people also. What matters to me is not the gifts that you give, because of course I appreciate the process of you thinking कि क्या दे, क्या नहीं दे. Would this be okay for her, and also I am like, I really appreciate that. But somebody taking an extra mile effort of just penning it down, some of their thought process in a letter, and then sending it to me, or then just giving it to me, that's more special to me. So when friends give it to me, I keep it in a box very nicely, and I have it stored. If they're long distance friends of mine, they write the letter, they scan it, they give me the PDF, and then I have that also. This year, like the last year, I received a lot of letters, so I was very happy. I gave also a lot of letters, and वो होता है ना that a little appreciation after when they see the letter of mine, they're really happy. So I have like so many close friends of mine who've never received handwritten letters before. So when I wrote it for them, and then when I gave them, and then of course they weren't going to read it in front of me, right? So when they read it after some time, And I remember one of them telling me that, I haven't received the letters ever, and this is the first time somebody giving me the handwritten letter, and this is so special. And at times, when my friends don't feel like talking, or they're just like a little tired, they read the letter and then they tell me that, I read the letter again, it's truly beautiful, and blah blah blah. So I'm like, and then I message them like, okay, see, I can write, okay. But yeah, guys, I know people out there are some type of like me, who love writing letters to their friends or anyone, like anyone. I remember once writing a handwritten email, like typing email, sorry. I was, sending an email to my sister when it was her birthday, or when it was Happy New Year, and also in the era of internet, also in the era of like mobile phones also, I used to send her emails, on her birthdays. And what formal conversation. So I get a little cringe to read back the letters, but then at the same time, that emotion is important. The feeling, the emotion, the conversation, the connection, or the relation is important for me. So I was just thinking of it, and I was like, okay, this is something nice. So yeah, as I said, we have a book coming up, and we've written a handwritten letter section, and I have a box full of it. So people out there who are listening to it, I know somebody likes it, somebody does not like it, somebody like, why you take an extra effort? But it's really nice to receive handwritten letters. So if you have, or if you haven't, please start sending it. Or but if you have, let me know on the comment section about, how, what type of letters have you received, or how much it impacted you, or how much you love the handwritten letters era. So thank you for listening. See you in the next one.